welcome to my first math tutorial. So lesson 1, addition and subtraction in polynomials. Adding polynomials is just a matter of combining like terms with some order of operations, considerations thrown in. Step to add polynomials. Step number 1, arrange each polynomial with a term with the highest degree first, then in decreasing order of degree. Step number 2, group the like terms. Like terms are terms whose variables and exponents are the same. Step number 3, simplify by combining like terms. Sample problem. 2x squared plus 6x plus 5 plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So step number 1, the polynomials are in decreasing order of degree. Step number 2, group the like terms, which is the 2x squared plus 3x squared. I-group natin yung like terms. And then 6x plus minus 2x. And bring down 5 and 1. Step number 3, simplify by combining the like terms. So here, 2x squared plus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2x plus 5 minus 1. 2x squared plus 3x squared is equal to 5x squared. And the next one, plus 6x minus 2x is equals to 4x. And the last, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Simple as that. So the answer is 5x squared plus 4x plus 4. So here are the answer. Next one, step to subtract polynomials. First, reverse the sign of each term we are subtracting. Turn plus into negative and in negative into positive. Then follow the previous step to add polynomials. Sample problem. 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9 minus parentheses, open parentheses, 2y squared plus 2xy minus 3 close parentheses. Step number 1, reverse the sign of each term we are subtracting. Step number 2, the polynomials are in decreasing order of degree. Yan, bring down the 5y squared and reverse the sign to negative y squared, positive to negative sign. Negative 2y squared plus, bring down the 2xy minus, reverse again, the positive sign change to the negative sign, 2xy minus 9, bring down 9, and change the sign plus 3. Step number 3, group the like terms. Because here, 5y squared minus 2y squared plus 2xy minus 2xy minus 9 plus 3. 5y squared minus 2y squared is equals to 3y squared. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down the y squared. Next one is this. 2xy minus 2xy is cancel. Course, positive negatives, 0. Next one is negative 9 plus 3 is equals to negative 6. So the answer is 3y squared minus 6. So yun lang po ang aking tutorials for today. See you next time to my next lesson. Thank you very much for listening.